The most terrifying sea creatures that actually exist. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, yet over 95% of it remains unexplored. That means we know more about space than what's hiding beneath the waves. And every year, scientists discover things that should not exist, from humanoid monsters to parasites that control your body to creatures so strange they feel unreal. So the question is simple: what else is down there that we have never seen? Let's go deeper. The Ninjin, the smiling human whale. In the freezing waters near Japan and Antarctica, fishermen have reported something impossible, a creature called the Ninjin. It looks like a whale, but not quite. It has a smooth humanoid face, pale skin, and what looks like a permanent, unsettling smile. Some even claim it has glowing white eyes that stare directly at ships passing by. In 2010, a Japanese research crew captured blurry footage of a massive white creature deep in Arctic waters. At first, scientists thought it was a new whale species. But here's the problem. No known whale matches its shape. Its body is too human, too symmetrical, too wrong. So what is it? A misidentified animal, or something completely unknown? And if it's real, how many more are watching us right now beneath the surface? The Irukandji jellyfish, the invisible killer. Now imagine something so small, you might not even see it, only 1 centimeter wide, but powerful enough to break the human mind. The Irukandji jellyfish, found off the coast of Australia, delivers one of the most terrifying venom effects on Earth. At first, the sting feels like nothing. Then, everything changes. Severe pain spreads through your entire body. Your heart races uncontrollably. Blood pressure spikes. And worst of all, victims report something chilling. A sudden, overwhelming sense of doom. Some even describe it as a psychological urge to end their own life. This condition is called Irukandji syndrome, and it can last for days or even weeks. But here's the real horror. Because it's so small and nearly invisible, many swimmers don't even know they've been stung. So the question becomes, how many tragedies in the ocean were never even understood? The tongue-eating parasite, living inside your mouth. Off the coasts of the Americas lives something that sounds like science fiction. The tongue-eating louse. It swims into a fish's mouth, attaches itself, and slowly destroys the fish's tongue. But it doesn't stop there. It then replaces the tongue completely. Yes, it becomes the tongue. The fish continues living normally, unaware that its new tongue is a parasite feeding off its blood and scraps of food. It lives inside the mouth, eating, growing, surviving, until the fish dies. Then it simply leaves and finds another host, a creature that doesn't just kill its victim, it becomes part of them. So what happens if evolution pushes parasites even further? Could something like this ever adapt to humans? Umebozu, the ship-sinking shadow. In Japanese folklore, fishermen tell stories of something massive rising from the deep, the umebozu, meaning sea monk. It is said to appear on calm nights. Rising from the water is a giant black humanoid shape, no clear face, no features, just darkness, towering above the sea. Witnesses claim it can capsize ships with a single movement. Some believe it is a giant squid. Others say it is a collective hallucination caused by fear at sea. But here's the strange part. These sightings continue even in modern times. So what if it isn't a myth? What if something that large really does live just beneath the surface? And if it does, why does it only appear when it wants to be seen? The submarine humanoid, the hand on the glass. In one disturbing submarine recording from the Greenland Sea, crew members captured something chilling. A school of fish swims peacefully until something massive approaches, a giant webbed hand. It slams against the submarine window, 5 fingers, human-like structure, but far too large. The crew freezes in shock as the creature moves away into the dark water. For a moment, a shape resembling a head is visible, but it disappears instantly. No known marine animal matches its anatomy. So what did they really see? A deep-sea mutation or something never meant to be documented? And more importantly, if it noticed the submarine, was it curious or territorial? The mysterious breathing disk. In Ontario, Canada, near a nuclear power plant, a strange object was filmed underwater. A perfect circular disk, slowly pulsing, as if breathing. It doesn't float like debris. It doesn't drift like seaweed. It responds. When objects are thrown at it, it barely reacts, as if it is aware but uninterested. Is it an organism, a mutated deep-sea life form exposed to radiation, or something artificial that doesn't belong on Earth at all? Even today, no explanation fully fits. It responds. When objects are thrown at it, it barely reacts, as if it is aware but uninterested. Is it an organism, a mutated deep-sea life form exposed to radiation, or something artificial that doesn't belong on Earth at all? Even today, no explanation fully fits. So what would you do if you saw something like this in the water beneath you? The lancetfish, the ocean's cannibal. At first glance, the lancetfish looks like a deep-sea predator. Sharp teeth, long body, nightmare appearance, but its real horror is its behavior. It eats its own kind, sibling, parent, offspring. It does not discriminate. It is one of the few known marine animals that actively engages in full cannibalism as a survival strategy. Even worse, it occasionally washes up on shore with other fish still inside its stomach, including its own species. It is not just a hunter. It is a cycle of endless feeding and self-destruction. So the question is, what drives an entire species to turn against itself? Crabzilla, the 15-meter crab. In 2014, reports emerged from the UK of a giant crab measuring nearly 15 meters. Nicknamed Crabzilla, it was allegedly spotted near Whitstable Coast. Fishermen described something massive moving under shallow water. Even satellite images seemed to show an unusual shape on the seabed. But no specimen was ever recovered. No confirmed evidence exists. Yet locals still claim something large moves offshore at night. So was it a misidentification or something that simply disappeared back into the deep? Because one thing is certain, the ocean rarely gives answers. Only sightings. Final question. We think we know the ocean, but in reality, we've only scratched the surface. So the real question is not what these creatures are, but this. What else is out there, waiting to be discovered next?
The ocean is full of terrifying creatures, from a teeny deadly jellyfish to a parasite that live inside animals, and even mysterious humanoid beings. Some are rare, some are unexplained, but all reminds us how little we truly know about what's hiding deep beneath the water. Here is System Scoop. Please subscribe for more updates.